Alright people, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. I'm not at home as you can see, but so the Concacaf Nation League quarterfinal ranking has been started now, and the team that where Reggae Boyz are slated to play has now been, I have to say, has been announced. The dates have been announced, the team has been announced, and we have to understand that it's one of the big guys are going to play. So before we get to the details, just smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and let me just run through this. Alright, so Jamaica are set to play Canada in the quarterfinals of the Concacaf Nation League. Now, if you advance to the semi-finals, that basically book your ticket to the Copa America. Now, it's very important that we go to the Copa America because we want to play some high-profile games leading up to the World Cup qualifiers, or leading up to the World Cup. The more high-profile games, the better assessment that we can make of ourselves and how far we are in our progress, and what we are expected to do when the World Cup come around, or even when the qualifiers come around. So we play these high-profile games and got some good results. I do think that will give us the confidence, that will give us aura to prolong in the World Cup qualifiers. Now, first matchup is Friday, November the 17th, 2023, Jamaica versus Canada. That seems to be a home game for us. That's good. That's really, really good. Then the next matchup is going to be Tuesday, November the 21st. That's an away game. That's BMO Field versus Canada. Now, the important aspect to take away from this is people, and we've spoken about it quite a lot of times, especially me. I remember early in the part of the campaign, I'm speaking about performances. I'm emphasizing on performances. But the notion is from most Reggae Boy fans that I've gotten is that the performances are not really that important and the results is vastly more important. That's what I consistently get. Now, going up against Canada, we are going to see the importance of putting in good performance, the importance of playing good football. Because when you go up against a better team, you can't rely on luck. Individual brilliance can carry so far, but nowhere else. Because really and truly, when you go up against good teams, and good teams can nullify your quality players, your top players, you are going to be in problem. You're going to be in problem. So this is a good matchup. I'm expecting this to be a good game. The league finals, the Concacaf Nation League 3rd edition, is scheduled to take place in March 2024. The final four between League A quarterfinals and includes semifinals to be played on Thursday, March 21, 2024, followed by a third place match final on Sunday, March 24. That's same 2024. To determine the semi-final appearance, the 4 participating nations will be ranked 1 to 4 according to their performance in the quarterfinals, points, and if required, goal difference, with the highest ranked team facing the lowest ranked team, 1 versus 4 and 2 versus 3. So Canada is our next opponent, on a two-legged fixture. Luckily we get, well, not luckily, we get the first match at home. We got the first match at home. Now, it's going to be difficult, for sure. We don't really have a good record against Canada, actually, but it's definitely going to be difficult, and I expect us to put in a showing. And I just keep on beating and lamenting on the fact that we need to improve our performance, and until we start improving our performance, then now maybe me personally I feel a little bit more comfortable. The game against Haiti in the 3-2, yes, the 2 goals might make it seem a bit close, but we're still conceding. We can't concede these early goals against Canada. We can't concede against Canada, actually, because they are a much tougher opponent. They can break you down and score on you. So that's a difficult game in itself. Then we're looking towards quarterfinals, then semifinals, then finals. And if we want to go further, things have to improve. Really, really have to improve. But I guess that's football. We'll see how this one goes. I think we can get something, but hopefully. Big up on yourself, people. That has been the update for today. Canada versus Jamaica in the Nation League quarterfinals, and we actually get a tough opponent, and this one is going to test our mental to see what we're made of. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV, and we are out. Boom.